Good day, Earthlings. Well, this is happening today. Rained yesterday, so I couldn't do it. But yeah, look at that difference. Ooh, I'm loving it. Loving it. So I got half of it done. Got my stuff all piled up over here. It's turned off. But yeah, so let's go have a look at what we did. So, pretty sure it was right about here. This one here. All the way did the other day. This is like going on 3 days. Well, you can tell. See right between, it's all clogged. This is not. What is that? Anyway. So yeah, all this is done. Looks a little bit alright. This is the top deck. It was all greenish and oh my god, it was just horrible. I love it. It's looking good. Yeah, so today is off and on, rain, sunny. See, look at that. Wind is blowing. So I stopped right here because I'm not going any further from that post until this doghouse has been taken out of here. So I figured I might as well do up and it's nice. Maybe I'll come right to about here. So I got just this little section right there to do. So from here to the doghouse and then down the stairs. I finished that off up there. Wow. I have sun. Already been doing it for about an hour now. What takes time is in between the boards, that little crud in there, that's what takes forever. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today, Earthlings. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll be showing you tomorrow when it's all finished, I'm hoping. Have a good day. Ciao. Oh, like, subscribe, hit the button. Yeah. Good day, Earthlings. So wait, let's come and have a look over here. Whoa, home tree. Ah, just beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it. Blue sky. Beautiful day. Bless y'all. Ciao.